Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the void drive with 2 lines of blasters. Now, you guys may have been thinking that 1 line is already hard enough. Nearly impossible. How would you use 2? Well, in my setup that I have here, I utilize 2, and I only have 2 lines of upgraders. I just have 2 lines of upgraders with 2 void drive lines. And I'll be showing you guys how to actually do it. Now, some prerequisites that you would need. Definitely you need big bad blasters, that's a given. Midas blasters are not needed, but they help. So, yeah, and also I'm not using anything that is unobtainable. Everything that I'm using here is obtainable right now in the game. I'm not using any circus cannons or anything. I'm using colliders. So let me reborn. Guys, we just got. Guys, oh my god. Guys, we just got 3 MEMERs. That is nuts. But guys, on to the video on void lines. I can't believe it, guys. That's amazing. Okay, let's get on to this, guys. So basically what you want to do is put the void drive right here with a 1 block gap. Now what you can do is either buy controlled gates in the shop or use spooky control gates that were around Christmas or around Halloween. It doesn't matter. But also let me use the gargantuan mine and get some money real quick, just so I can buy everything that I need. Guys, we literally got an ore MEMER on video. That might be the first. But alright, after you do that, buy ore colliders and buy hydraulic ore cannons. So put a collider after your void drive. And what you want to do is get an atmospheric steamwork, which is actually the evolution of the gravitational gearwork, and place it like so. Basically, they should just meet. They should just meet like that, where this is like that, and it goes through like that. So, get your hydraulic cannon. Oh my gosh. Get your hydraulic cannon and put it at the end. So, after you do that, get a hydraulic platform, place it like so. Another one. It should be right after the steamwork. Then, get your big bad blasters and throw 4 on the end like so. And throw 2 Midas blasters behind them. Once you've done that, I would copy and paste a set of them like this, all the way as many as you can. You'll be able to do 1 more. At the end, I'll put a sender. I'll just use orange. And leave a 1 block space. And put another control gate. Let me rotate that. I like to have the buttons where the sender is. Now, after that, you're going to want to add conveyors. I'd suggest using ultimate conveyors, candy conveyors, storage conveyors, heavenly conveyors, or North Pole conveyors. Those are all really fast conveyors. Use up all 10 of these. And let's use some storage conveyors. Alright, you only have to put conveyors up to right about here. So after that, put your receiver. Put a collider with your atmospheric steamwork, like so. Your hydraulic cannon above it, like that. 2 more hydraulic platforms. And, oh, this dude just got a Stellarite mine, guys. I have a very lucky VIP server. Now, guys, basically, just do the same thing over here. Now, I would go to about here before putting your furnace. I would recommend using the Devourer of Nightmares because it does have a decent multiplier, and it is really easy to catch ores that are up in the air a little bit. So yeah, that is a really good conveyor to use. Let's fill up the rest of these. Throw in our 2 heavenlies. Throw in some North Pole conveyors. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much done. Now, obviously, I didn't build it compact, but you guys can optimize the setup if you'd like to make it more compact like I have in my setup. But, basically, there are some few prerequisites for the mining. You cannot use the Havium mine with this, sadly. I recommend using Draconic Glass. Basically, if you have it in your setup, right before it goes in here, you're going to want to have a helium blaster and a hydraulic press. So let's do that now. Also, guys, this is ping based, so if you do have a really bad ping, I would probably recommend shortening the second line by a little bit. But yeah, so what you want to do to actually get ores in here is I would recommend having a platform over it and using the eye teleporter. If you don't have the eye teleporter, what you could use is the anti-gravity teleporter, but the eye teleporter works well. Place it above the void upgrader like so, and put your receiver. And I believe that we're done. There we go, guys. NQDDR. That's pretty good. For having no upgraders, that is pretty good. But obviously, you guys know, a lot of ores don't make it, which that is why it is a little bit luck based on how many ores will make it. But yeah, guys, that concludes the video, guys. We literally got an ore MEMER on video on the only rebirth that we did. I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that amazing fun stuff. Check out my Discord, a link in the description below to learn about me live streaming and recording early. I'm probably gonna, I want to get a live stream done. I might live stream Sunday, so definitely check out my Discord server. You'll find out early. But yeah, guys, definitely put this in your setup if you want to have really fast setups like me. I've gotten a setup under 50 or I got 54 seconds once with my new setup that I had in the beginning. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server, link in the description below, along with my amazing fan groups and fan shirts. A lot going on down there. Hope you guys did enjoy. Peace.